It is now 15 dead in Kentucky from the cold and the recent Kentucky floods. The floods in eastern Kentucky have left hundreds seeking shelter at Kentucky state parks. Jenny Wiley State Resort Park in Prestonsburg is currently housing the most survivors. But as Kentucky State Parks Commissioner Russ Meyer tells us, getting people to shelter has been a big challenge.
We have 6 state parks that are involved in this flood event, and that's we have Jenny Wiley, Buckhorn, Natural Bridge, Pine Mountain, Cumberland Falls, and Carter Caves has just come online. Currently, we have 218 people, 39 pets. Jenny Wiley has most of those. And of course, with Pike County getting hit as hard as they've been hit, that's where a lot of the displaced families are coming from. I was at Jenny Wiley on Monday, and I was within less than an hour of my car being stuck and not being able to get out. We had pontoons running from the parking lot at our conference center to the park itself, to the lodge, and a bus getting people up the hill to Jenny Wiley Lodge. And that was the only way in. Everyone was safe at the lodge, and we're giving them 3 meals a day, nice warm place to stay, clean place to stay. It's needed. It's needed, and these people needed a place to go. And I think we're blessed to have that opportunity in our Commonwealth. Yeah, we've gotten good at this over the last 2 or 3 years, with the tornado events that we had in West Kentucky. And then following that up 6 months later with the floods in 22. And even before that with COVID, we were housing families, and our parks became shelters. And, our people at our state parks, our team, our staff, they have gotten to be pros at this, and serving our communities, serving our state, it comes second nature, and that's what we're there for. That's what we love to do.
Commissioner Meyer says state parks will offer shelter to flood survivors for as long as they need it.